Hello everyone, and today's video is sponsored by Quntis. Like and subscribe for more. Keep watching. Enjoy. Hello my YouTube family, this is Pat from French Country Blessing. Welcome back to my channel, my YouTube family. I want to thank God who's the head of my life today. Also, I want to welcome all my new subscribers to my channel as well as my old subscribers. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, this is a collaboration. Thank you so much Quntis for sponsoring this video. Like and subscribe for more. I received LED solar string lights. I was so excited guys because I am getting ready to add more lights up under my pergola. Make sure to follow all your instructions. Quntis carry all different styles of solar lights, computer monitor lamps, bathroom lightings, and so much more. The solar lights comes with a remote control, waterproof, snowproof, windproof, sunproof, a dimmer and timer function. The solar lights are 106 foot and also has 4 light modes. Keep watching, I will be testing out these solar lights. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share, and hit the notification bell. That way you'll know when I'm uploading my videos, and always keep God in your life because He's the head of my life. My solar lights are beautiful up under my pergola. I am testing out the 4 different modes on the lighting. The solar lights are very good quality. This is the time to buy. Quntis has a great sale going on right now. Quntis LED solar string lights will be linked below. Thank you so much Quntis for sponsoring this video, and thank you all so much for watching. You all have a blessed day.